We are Ignite Digi, a small Tasmanian team specialising in the design and manufacture of high-quality CNC machined parts. Our award-winning products have been used on film and TV productions across the world, but the outbreak of COVID-19 has had a devastating effect, shutting down all production. As such, we now have the capacity to repurpose our machines and staff and are using this video to reach out to those businesses that need essential products manufactured at this time. In addition to our mills, we have a fibre laser and CNC router that allow us to produce high-quality marked parts and finished assemblies with our small team of 5 people. We can also facilitate anodising and shipment of the product around Australia or the world. We are actively looking for work to continue to support our local community, employees and families. If you need CNC machined products, large or small quantities, we are ready to assist you.